log 8. Okay, increase the value. 9, increase the value. 10. You win. Yes, we did it. We did it. So here you can see I have created the style. I have created the style tag, so that we will add here style, and this is the body part. Here we will add our elements, and this is the script tag. We will add the JavaScript here. So first of all we have to make the navigation. For that we will take h1 tag. Here we will write guess a number from 1 to 10. So this is our guessing platform. This will be our navigation. Now you can see here we can see the guess a number from 1 to 10. We will not look the style part today. We will look that in second part. So today we will just create a logic of the game. So here will be our paragraph tag. This paragraph tag will be hint, so to increase a number or decrease a number. So I am giving nothing to here. And we need a input tag because we are taking value from the user. We will take a number. Now you can see here is our number, but we need to make a button so that this number can be sended to the JavaScript. So I am also making the button. So this button will be guess the number. Now you can see we have created the basic structure of the game, and if we type here number and if we click guess, then this number, this value should go to where? In the JavaScript. So for that, first of all I have to select this input. So for that I am giving class will be class name will be input value. Now let's select in script tag document dot get elements by id elements by class, and here we have what? Input value. We are selecting this input value, so I am writing here input value in the script tag. So this class can be, there are lots of class, so for that I am selecting the 0 number class. 0 will be first class, so first class is our this. If I copy this and again paste this, then it will be our second class input value. So if we want to select second one, then we have to write here 1, but we need to select 0. So for that I am deleting this one. Now we have selected, but we have to save this in somewhere. So let input value, I am giving same name, input value is equals to now we have selected this input. Now what we can do is console, this is just for checking, console.log input value. We will get nothing because we are direct consoling log. Here you can see console document.get elements by class name. It's a class name, not a class. Now you can see we are getting the input, this HTML. I am deleting this one. Now we have the this input tag we have already selected. Now what we can do is we have the on button, so we will give this on click. This will trigger the new function of the JavaScript, that is guess. This will guess function. When we click this button, then it should run guess function. That is the work of this on click function. So we will click, if we will click this button, then it will run guess function. So we will have to create the guess function. So function guess. Now if we write here alert 1, then if we click this button, then it should show the alert 1. Let's see. Now you can see it is showing alert 1. When we click this button, it is showing alert 1. So now what we can do is we can take the value of this input value. So console dot log input value dot value. We have another function, that is value, not a function. Now when we click this, we will get value. The value is empty. Now if I click 555, how much 5? 45, and I will click guess, then it should look here in console log. It means we are getting in JavaScript, it means we are getting script that number in the function. So now by this we can use this input value Now what we can do is we have to create the random number. We have to guess in the random number. So for that what we need to do is we have to create the random number. So for that I am selecting let random. This will be random value. So we will create the random value math dot random. This will give the number from 0 to 1. I will show you. Console dot log random. Now you can see it is giving me 0.73. If I again refresh it, it will give 0.70. If I again refresh it, it is giving 0.6. So it means random number is giving in 0 to 1. So for that we know if we multiply by this with 10, then we will get from 6. We will get 6 value. If we will again refresh it and multiply by 10, we will get 1. So in this way we will trigger the 10th value. So 10th means we have to multiply by 10. So if I multiply by 10 to the random value into 10, now you can see I am getting in 10th place. So now again I am refreshing it. Now you can see 1. I am again refreshing it, 9. But what we need to do is we need to also remove this all the numbers after the point. So for that we have another function, that is math dot, we have to math dot float this number. So now you will see there will be no points. You can see I am getting 5, and again if I refresh I am getting 9. If I again refresh I am getting 6. It means I am not getting point. But what we need to do is if this number is 0, now you can see exactly I want that I have got. If it's exactly 0, then we don't need this 0. So for that I am adding here +1. If the number comes 0, then it should be +1. So now you will see there will be no 0 number. Now it is perfect. Now it is perfect. Now we will get from 1 to 10. Now we have got the random value, so I am again removing this one, console.log. Now we have to play in this function, guess function, when we click the button. Now when we click the button, the guess function will be run, and this guess function, inside the guess function we will compare. If input value is equals to random, then it should show ALERT, alert, you win. Now let's say, now I don't know what is the random number, so I am console logging because I can't guess. It will just lost my time. Console.log log random. Let's see. Now you can see this is 2. If I click here 2 and guess, it is not showing you win. It means there is some problem. Now here we have done a small mistake, that we have to make this input value, we are comparing dot value. So input if input value is equals to random, then it show you win. I am giving 10. It is not showing you win because we have given here strict checking. It means the number that coming from input is string, and the number that we have created here is random number, is a number. Its type is number, its data type is number. Number and string are not equal in triple equal. It is strict checking, so we are making it loose checking. Double equal. So if double equal, then it will compare string. It will not compare string and number, it will just look the value. Now I am clicking here 9. Now you can see you win. Yes, we got win. If you want to strict checking, then you have to make this triple equal to, and you have to make this this string value into the parse. So for making that, parse int, we have this function parse int, so it will make the string into the number. It will just change the data type of this string value. Now it will also work. 6. Now you can see it is working. This is the best practice, but for this tutorial I am making it easy, so I am not using this parse int and not a strict checking. We just need a double equal. Now we have also created the equal part. What if I enter the less number? Else if input value is less than random, then what it should show is alert increase number. Let's see will it work or not. I am writing small number. Small of the 7 is 6. Let's see. Guess. It is not showing again because I am not adding here input value dot value, because I need a value. I have to compare the value. Now small value 8, increase the number, it is saying. If I click here 9, you win. Okay, I am getting perfect. And we have again else if, what if I type the big number? Input value dot value is greater than if random, then what we need to do is we just need to type decrease the number, alert, alert, decrease, decrease. Sorry, I have to write in quotes because that is string. Decrease number. Now if I type 5 greater than the random number, then decrease number. If I type here 1 smaller than the random number, then it is saying increase number. If I exactly type the number 2, then I will get you win. Perfect, the logic is completed. Now the another part is we have to show in this part, this what part. So for that what we can do is we have to select this paragraph in the JavaScript. So first of all I will select, give the class name, class is equals to hint. So I am giving the class name hint. So now I am selecting here, let hint equals to document dot get element, document dot get elements by class name what, yes I ent hint, and which one, first one or second one, we have only one, so first one. So for first one I have 0 because it starts from 0, and we have selected the hints. And what we will do is instead of this alert we will use hint. I have already selected the hint dot inner text. It means inside text what we need to do is equals to, I am adding you win, but I don't need to show this here alert in alert. So I am doing same to another one. So I am copying here shift alt and I am changing here, and if the value is less, then what we will do is increase value, and what we will do here is we will again copy this one, and if the value input value, that value is greater than random, then what we will do is decrease value. Now everything is complete, and I am removing this alert part because we don't need this. Now random value is 3. If I type here 1, increase value, it is showing here. If I type here 5 greater than 3, then it will show decrease value. Now it is showing here. If I type exactly 3, then you win. Perfect, we got this result. Now the interesting part of the game is we don't need to show this one 3. So for that I am removing the console.log random number. Now the game will be interesting. I don't know the random number, let's guess. 5, decrease the value. 4, you win. Yes, I got it in 2. So now this is the logic of the game that we have created. Now what we can do is, after typing, the input value should be null. It means it should be empty. What I mean is, if I click here 5, guess, it means you have to remove this 5. If I click this guess, it should be removed. If I click here 4, then it should be removed, but it is not removing. If I click 3, then it should be removed, but it is not removing this 3 number. So for that we have below of this else if, what we will do is we will select the input value. We have already select, and dot value will be what? Equals to null. It means there will be nothing. You can see here, this is so much easy. What we have done is input value dot value will be null, nothing. So now you will see the result 2 5. If I click here to 5, then it is removing. If I 2, then it is saying increase the value 5. Okay, I don't need this console log. 8. Okay, increase the value 9, increase the value 10. You win! Yes, we did it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand something. And in next video we will create a design. Okay, let's go. Bye bye, tata, see you later.